Hi, kindergarten writers. Welcome to Writer's Workshop. I have to tell you, you wrote some amazing acrostic poems. Those were so fun for your teacher to read. You did great. And the ones that chose to do the challenge of the word kindergarten, wow. I thought that was going to be so hard. You guys are amazing. Way to go. Today we're going to learn about a different kind of poem, and it's a really long word, autobiographical. An autobiography is a writing all about a person. So an autobiographical poem is a poem all about you. So your job today is going to be to think about you and the things that you like, and the things that you like or don't like to do, or eat, or go, and you're going to write a poem about it. Let's get started. So remember our types of poems? We're going to look right here at this one. An autobiographical poem is a poem written about one's self. That's you. Now, each of us are very different, aren't we? Autobiographical poems are all about you. Do we look the same? No. Do we talk the same? No. Do we like all the same things? No. So today you're going to be thinking just about yourself. We're going to hear a story called Hooray for You. And this story talks about how each of us is unique, and each of us has special gifts and talents that are different from anyone else in the whole world.
Hooray for You by Mary Ann Richmond. For quite a long time, the world saved a place. Millions were born, yet none filled your space. Until the second of a minute of one special day, you took your first breath and the world said, hooray! From head to toe tip, you're one of a kind, with your way of being, your body and mind. Hooray for your sweet and beautiful face, that's not like another in the whole human race. Hooray for your smile that curves up just so when you laugh and act silly or show what you know. Hooray for your hair, be it black, brown, or red, that does its own thing on top of your head. Hooray for your body that wiggles and plays with custom-built parts to move your own ways. Hooray for your moods and feelings, each one that start at sunup and end with day done. Hooray for your silly, excited, and glad. Hooray for your grumpy, crabby, or sad. Hooray for your thoughts and hopes that you dream. Hooray for your favorites, like cake and ice cream. Hooray for you being like nobody other, like a cousin or sister or uncle or brother. Hooray for yourself, both inside and out. There's only one you, without a doubt. Look in the mirror and love who you see. Smile and shout, hooray for me!
Now we're going to think about ourselves. What are you good at? What do you like? What don't you like? What do you want? What do you dream to be? All of these ideas can go into your poem today. Now, I need you to press pause quick. Go get a piece of paper and something to write with. As soon as you're back, we're going to get started. First thing you're going to do is write the word I am at the top of your paper. I am. Do you have the words I am? Now we're going to write I feel. Can you write that? Now we're going to write I love. And if you need to pause the video at any time so that you can catch up, that's okay too. Now we're going to write I need. I want. I am. Once you have all of these written, start thinking about what words you might add on each of these lines to write our poem. So I'm going to start. And I know that your ideas are going to be different than mine because remember, we just heard that story, how each of us is unique, each of us is different, each of us likes different things. So I am a teacher. Now, I know none of you are teachers, so yours is for sure going to be different than mine for the first one. Now I'm going to think about the next sentence starter. I feel happy. Happy is a feeling. You might have the same one for this one as me. Happy. I love my kids. I need a hug. Could always use an extra hug, especially since I don't have my kindergartners at school to give me hugs during the day. I want to go back to school. It's going to be a long one. Give me a second. And then I am. We're going to start the same way that we finished. And I'm going to write, I am a teacher. So by starting and ending our poem with the same sentence, kind of brings it all together. Can you help to read it with me? I am a teacher. I feel happy. I love my kids. I need a hug. I want to go back to school. I am a teacher. Now, I wrote, I am, I feel, I love, I want, I need, I am, but you could certainly add in a few different lines. If one of these didn't fit you well and you wanted to change it, you're more than welcome to do that. Now, I'm going to give my poem a title. I'm going to call it All About Me. All about me. I can't wait to see the poems that are all about you. Now, you'll notice in my poem, my sentences didn't rhyme, but it's okay if yours do. If that's the kind of poem you want to write, that's great. Maybe instead of I feel, you'll have a couple of I loves. I love, because you love lots of things. It's up to you. Remember, poetry is how you see it and how you want it to be. This is just an example, an all about me poem. I can't wait to see how your poems turn out. Kindergartners, do your best writing, your best handwriting, making those letters the Brookview way, thinking hard about spacing between our words and stretching out any words that are tricky for us. You're amazing, kindergartners. Have a great rest of your day.